Sorry, guys, I'm actually waiting for my guests. So, once my guest comes, we're going to kickstart. So, have a little patience for me. Okay, let's wait a little bit. I'm actually waiting, so let's wait a little bit. Okay. Oh, why is my eyes like this? Hi, thanks for joining. I hope you can give me some time because I'm still waiting for my guests. So when he comes, we can start. While you're here, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hi, hello. Hi, Mahim Gamer. How are you doing? Welcome to my channel. It's good to have you here. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to be learning a whole lot. So I'm expecting my guest to join the live stream. So once he joins the live stream, we are going to kickstart because we'll be talking on a whole lot that will be beneficial to you and also to me. So basically, he will be talking to us about forex trading, real estate, and a whole lot of us want to make so much money, right? So you guys should please give me a little time. Stay tuned, a little time for my guests to join in. Um, I'm from Nigeria. I'm streaming from Nigeria, Mahim. Assault drivers. Hello, I'm from India. Hi, Assault. How are you doing? It's good to have you here. I have a lot of Indian friends, and it's good that you're here too. Thanks for sending me your love. Tozek, I hope I'm pronouncing your name well. How are you doing? It's good to have you here. Madi, History and Civilization Countries. Hello.
Am I visible?
Celebrity man, we have been waiting for you for a very long time.
Oh my god, I greet you, Mama. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm sorry, I just came in from the shower. I went somewhere right now.
Okay. It's good to have you here. Can you hear me? Okay. I said you're welcome. It's good to have you here. Okay. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. I know some of you, you've been coming and then you've been going. So, my guest is here, and I hope you can, stay tuned. Don't move because this is going to be an interesting one. It's going to be profitable for all of us, it's going to be beneficial for all of us. We're having network. So once again, thank you all for joining. Please, if this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Double tap on your screen to like this live. Uh, Hi, Pabs. Are you still here? Uh, Hi, Lawrence. Good evening. How are you doing? I hope today was a beautiful day for you. Thanks for joining. Today, we are going to be having a beautiful discussion. Welcome. Welcome
Uh,
back again.
sorry. I wanted to share a link. That is why. I'm sorry for that.
Okay.
I'm
Okay, it's
back.
fine. Okay. So, guys, I have with me Prince Barnabas. He happens to be a Forex trader. So, today he will be telling us a whole lot about investment and why, Forex trading is more profitable than real estate. So, I would allow him to introduce himself so we can get started. So, perhaps, Money, can you please introduce yourself to us?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, the viewers. The host. Thank you so much for this honor and bringing me up here.
You're
Uh,
welcome.
I'm a me Pub FS. I've been in the industry for like past 3 years now. Um, yeah. So that is it. So just stay tuned and listen to the whole thing we'll have for you guys. Okay?
Okay, so basically, he has been in this industry for a long time. So definitely, whatever he's going to be sharing to us will be something that we are going to learn, not just learn, but also put it in practice. So I encourage you guys to please comment if you have any question. Please put your questions under the comment box, and we are going to answer it. And if peradventure you feel like you want to learn after this whole talk and processes, you can also, reach out to him. All you have to do is to indicate in the comment section interested. So are talking about real estate investment versus forex trading, which is more profitable in today's market, which is a better investment plan. So Mr. Barnabas has introduced himself. So I would like to ask him this question.
I'm all yes.
Some of
That is a
us we
good thing.
don't know what forex trading is. So tell us what forex trading is.
All right. All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right. Forex trade is just very simple. It's a kind of exchanging of foreign currencies. Doing a
Okay.
kind of exchange of the process of exchanging of foreign currencies. That is just all.
Okay.
Basically, that is just you get. So we do exchange
Okay.
foreign currency.
So how did you get into forex trading?
Hmm.
Was it an inspiration? Did you just wake up one morning and you decided, okay, this is what I want to do? Or did you have anybody close to you that learned from?
Yeah. Yes. I must sincerely say this. I have a guy with me then called Philip.
Okay.
I think the guy was the first person that introduced me to forex trading. You get. So and back then it was losing back to back. You get. The losing was back to back, back to back. So it's despite that losing, I don't really see it as something that is impossible. So I still get passion for it. So the learn that even I failed at that period, but I still put pressure on it. That yeah, there's money in this thing. You get. That's how I just that went to me. I got the passion, and that's how I follow it up.
When you
I,
ask real estate people, why did you go into real estate? They will say the same thing that you're a forex trader you have just said. They will tell you because of there is money in it. Passion comes last. So in your own case, because there is money in it, and yes, I have the passion. And I believe that you
but
have the passion because you have been in this game for a very long time. When some people
that's
in
it.
real estate go into real estate, Just give them like 1 2 years, they are out of it. Why? Because they got in because of the money and not the passion. So that's
because of it.
a good one. So if somebody wants to start forex trading now, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. A minute. Let me close my. A
Okay.
minute. Let me close my. Please. A minute.
All right.
Close my net. I feel like.
So guys, if you're just joining for the first time, please click on the subscribe button, follow Pap's FX account. You subscribe, but still subscribe, and also share this video for others to join and learn.
All right.
Welcome back.
Sorry. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So the
Thank you.
next
Yeah.
question is, how does someone, for those that are interested, how does someone start forex trading? So what tools or platforms are needed to start this?
That is a nice question too. To
Mm-hmm.
me, basically, to me, I think the first tool you need is mindset. Yes, your mindset. You guys change your mindset totally first. If you wanna be a forex trader, I won't lie that you guys change your mindset totally. You get like the way you see things before, you are going to see things in a different dimension now. Because what you are going to is a kind of what is it called? The risk is too high, and you wanna make up your mind. So you guys change your mindset. Nobody will believe in you and the rest. You get so that is one. So secondly, we use some tools like what is it called Excellence app. To me, I'm one of the Excellence agents. I use Excellence app. Then MetaTrader 5. All those apps are very very important for you to. Then we have Forest Factory, news events and the rest. So those things are very
Okay.
important to get. And basically, beginners you got to start with what is it called demo accounts, right? You got to start with demo account. This demo account is a kind of a visual money like given to you to just practice to know what you are doing, either you are doing the thing right or not before you fully start. You get so that is basically how you can get started. But the first thing you need to do is mindset. You must change your mindset. If you want to be a forex trader, that is real. It's not for biggies.
So if I have the mindset of if I start this thing now, I might fail, I won't succeed in it. Is it for those that have strong hearts?
Really,
Because
really,
I
it's not.
know one thing about forex is if you're doing forex, there are times you're going to make money and there are times you will not make money. So should I have the mindset that okay, if money does not come, I should not think about it, I should not feel it, I should still be happy?
That is the major thing. Be happy always. Either you lose, be happy.
No. Why will money not come? Is it not money that I put inside for me to get more? Or how is that done?
The fact is, in forex trading, right, loss is constant. We see it as casual, right? It's not like it's nothing to us. If you're a trader, you don't see loss as anything. You get because definitely as a professional trader or as an advanced trader, we then will
Mm-hmm.
call risk management, proper
Okay.
risk management. So you might have know more about proper risk management, whereby when you are targeting 20, your risk should be 10. So I can't target 20 and I risk 20 at that same time. It's not possible. Okay. So now with this proper risk management, if I lost 10. Then if I win 20. You get
Okay.
in a week, let's say from Monday to Friday, you'll be able to win like 3 trades or 2 trades. You have covered everything. You are in profit already. You get. So that is how it works.
Okay.
Lost, you must accept it. Anyway, you lost,
I'm not
go
gonna
and do.
accept them. Why would I lose? Do you know the
Right?
plan I have planned? Then I'm not from my head that no, I will not accept it though.
The fact is, it's not like you'll be happy normally. Like the last loss I encountered was about 700 plus. So at that moment, you know what I do? You know my level now. For Moscow, I go to Moscow first. Go calm myself, calm myself with drinks and the rest. Get the soup, come back house, bow, relax. So it's casual. So we dey see am every day. How they make am every day, that is just one dey say. But the major thing is that your losses should not be more than your profit. No
Mm,
matter what, at least make sure in a week, if you check your history, you should have blue, not red. That is just it.
okay. So now there is this perception about forex. Yeah, a lot of people believe that forex is another way of gambling. Because there was a time that I wanted to learn forex. There was this lady that was teaching people how to become a forex trade. No, let me. That one is even too far. There's this friend I used to have. I used to have this friend. I think 2 years back or so. He told me about forex. He's a forex trader, and he said that he wants me to learn. And for me to learn, that there is a certain amount of money. I think he said I would have to start with that. I can start with 150,000 naira. He's going to teach me how to do forex, how to check signals, how to, do this, do that. He was just telling me a whole lot to make me comfortable. And then the next thing he now said is, after this thing, if I do it and I don't make money off it, he's going to give me his own personal money. Like he's going to give me back that 150,000 naira I invested in it. But if after investing in that forex, yeah, with that 150K, and I make so much that then my journey has started. So now to me, that's actually gambling. What if I then now put in that 150 out of that time and I did not make it, and he will not tell me, I don't have money. Oh. I was just trying to encourage you, and I did not know that really you will not make it. But I won't say thank God I did not do it because I don't know where I'll be by now. Yeah, but the point is, I was told I was going to invest money into it to get more money. So, can you talk to us about that perception of forex being um, a gambling process? What's your take
Oh,
on it?
oh, thank you so much. Wow, thank you so much. To be sincere, right? Forex is not a gambling. This has been into a kind of has been in controversy that Forex seems gambling and the rest. As a trader, we have Forex traders, Forex trading. We get we got gamblers in Forex trading, like people who call scalpers. To me, I call them gamblers. You get. So those ones are people that they don't hold a position for just a minute. You get. So now, Forex, to be precise, is not a gambling, right? Now, let me
Okay.
talk about the aspect of part saying you should invest 100 and something thousand naira. That aspect again, I think we have some brokers. Are you there? Are they right?
Yeah.
Okay. We have some brokers that their minimal deposit is about $100 plus. Some are $50 plus, right? But like the broker I use, as from $13, 12 to $13 you can deposit. That is minimum of 20,000 or 25,000 highest you can deposit, right?
Okay.
But some brokers are like that. Now the fact of her telling you that if you did not make profit, she's going to pay you back, that is a big lie. Let me be realistic. That is a very big lie. Because even people, even with our manage account, like I manage account for some people, you get. So even with our manage
Okay.
account, we got we will run into loss sometimes whereby we have to kind of tell the to use my personal money to pay. I won't do that. I won't do that because I know the stress that's in it. No, that's just a fact. So you have to call the partner and go into negotiation. Like we just discussed about it. So she cannot say she will pay you if you don't win. Maybe she using that style to motivate you, right? Because normally forex is good. You get it? It's good. It's not really easy. I will never say it's easy because the journey of 3 years now, if I tell you, maybe small thing, you get it. So it's not easy. But the aspect of gambling, if you know what you are doing in the industry, you are not gambling. It's people that don't know what they are doing in the industry. You get it? And people that
Yeah.
come into the in the sense that they want to make the money. See, you don't come into the industry because you want to make money. I know, yeah, the money aspect should be there, but you should focus on more knowing the logics, getting a strategy right. You're right. Getting a single strategy right, back testing every day, practice it most every day. Then get to it that okay, whenever I see market like this, they always fall. So that just it is. It's not a gambling, my dear. It can never be a gambling if you know what you're doing in the market. I mean,
Yes, I'm with you. I can hear you.
yeah, so it's never a gambling. It's never a gambling.
Okay. With what you just said now, so I always say this to those in real estate also, that there are similarities if you ask me.
Exactly.
Today I was out and I was with this real estate colleague. So she was talking about, you know, buyback scheme. Now, what is buyback scheme? This is a scheme they use in real estate that you will have a certain amount of money. Let's say you have like 10 million naira, or you have like 15 million naira. So they will bring you they will tell you, give me your 15 million naira. In 12 months' time, or in 1 year time, or in 3 years' time, your money will be doubled. It might be doubled by 5 million. So let's imagine that it is 10 million naira you invested in a buyback scheme. You're most likely going to be getting 15 million naira back. So it's more like you're saving your money into something. So there is this similarities in every money making groups. You must always invest something in it. So how long does it usually take before forex traders start earning money?
Thank you so much for that question. If I heard you clearly, you said how long will it take a forex trader to start earning money, right?
Yes, that is
I'll
consistent profit.
it's of
Like
two
this month money will enter, next month money will enter, because that's the kind of thing that me I like.
now. Now, let me say, to be a profitable trader, like a consistent profitable trader, you need 5 years.
Okay.
Yes, in the industry. After up, down, up, down, up, down, 5 years, right? Within 5 years, if you really know what you are doing, right? If you really know what you are doing, even though your capital is not much as it's supposed to be, definitely you go grow that capital somewhere. Yes, you go grow that capital somewhere. And secondly, it depends on, forex trading to be precise. I think it involve capital. Let's say, for instance, I came to the industry with 1,000, with $1,000. Then you enter the industry with $10,000 to $20,000, right? So there's no
Mm-hmm.
how it be that I'm going to be successful like you unless you don't know what you're doing, right? Because a trade that you take, the same trade that me and you take, you can be making 10,000 profit, while me I'll be making like 2,000 profit. Because of what? You have a larger equity. right? You have a larger equity. So now, what the question now? The answer to this question is one. In a layman,
Okay.
let's say, in a way that money, let's say you don't have much money, you don't have much
Mm.
capital, right? At least within 5 years of your trading, you should be able to earn consistently, like back to back. At least in a week, if you don't win, you go win two, three, and you go dey solid. You get. Then
Yeah.
if you come into the industry with a huge amount of money, I think within 2 years, 3 years, your journey with rightful people, you also become a consistent, profitable player. That's just it.
Okay. That's a good one. I don't know if the network is disturbing you.
Okay. Let me check my next one.
Are you having network challenge?
I don't know. Can't you hear me?
I can hear you, but from my angle, there are some times that some cracks, but I can hear you anyway. So let's talk about understanding profitability in forex trading. So, what kind of returns can an average forex trader expect if they trade smartly? Because it's not everybody that is a smart forex trader, you know.
In a range of a period of time, or what do you mean?
You can, speak to us on a period of time or long term, short term, so we can get a clear view of it.
Tell me the question again. Pardon. Tell me the question. Can you repeat what you're saying? Repeat the question again, please.
Okay, what kind of returns can an average, by average, the person is not so big, it's not one of the top, forex traders. So, what kind of returns can an average forex trader expect if they trade smartly?
Okay. Let me use some specific amount as an example, right? Let me say someone that has $500 as a capital, right? And you trade smartly, like you trade smartly. I think weekly you should be earning nothing less than, okay. Let's say if you are not over trade, because there is what we call over trade.
Okay.
If you are not over trading anymore, you know your rules. You follow your journal, like you have your rules, you follow your journal correctly. So in a week you should be expecting to earn nothing less than 30 to $50
Hmm. In a week, $30 to $50. Oh, how much?
in a week. Now let me tell you something, let me tell you something again. Let me tell you why I say this is because that is a minimum, right? Forex trading is something that no one can tell. You get. No one can tell. I fit enter trade now, by the trade go my full direction, by you expect, you are expecting to earn $1 from this, $100 from that trade. That same $500 you are seeing, some can trade that capital in a week. They will make it up to 1,000 as a profit.
Hmm.
You get. But all of them involve risk, because the more you are earning higher, the more you are risking higher. You get. So by the time you are targeting $500 per trade, definitely you are going to
Mm-hmm.
risk nothing less than 200 or 250 per that trade.
Okay.
You get. So if you want to earn, if you trade smartly, smart traders can earn more than that. They can earn from $500 capital. They can earn up to $1,000 in a week, $500 in a week. Yes, but make sure that you are targeting high. Your risk is also high. At that same time, you might blow that account within that period of time. It's possible you blow that account within that period of time too. You get. That's why sometimes we
Only
take
through
we
consistency, though.
hmm?
I said only through consistency. That the person is consistent.
Even no matter how consistency you are, lost you must blow account. So it
Okay.
gets some spirit. Yeah, there's a spirit in trading. There's a spirit in trading whereby it will just come to you. Oh yeah. enter more positions, enter more positions, enter more positions. You'll be doing it like you're the one
Enter
controlling
more
the.
positions.
You'll be opening.
Which position you dey enter?
That's how we call it. Yeah. That's how we call it. So by the time you don't load your account already, right? And by mistakenly the thing go against you small, your capital is ended. You get. And if it go in your favor a bit, you have raised the account from hundred to thousands already.
Hmm.
That so that's why we advise a beginner, like a new trader, a beginner that they should have patience. They should
Hmm.
have patience. Forex is not get rich quick, right? It's not something that you just enter today. You don't get, if you enter today, get money tomorrow for forex. That's not lucky, brother. But if you don't follow the normal procedure, it's not get rich quick. You got to kind of be patient, take your time, one by one, follow it up one by one, then you make it up right. You get it? So it doesn't really.
Okay.
I cannot say yes. This is an average someone can be earning as a beginner trader or as an advanced trader. It's not it can't be said. Yes, it can't be said because you might earn $100 today. Tomorrow you might earn $1,000. Let me bust your my former mentor Jeffrey Benson. Jeffrey Benson made 100. I mean, $1 million, $1 million in a single. In fact, within a few minutes.
Hmm.
You get me? $1 million
Mm-hmm.
is breaking record from forex. So imagine that kind of a win. You get so you don't know how much you're gonna get today in the market. But with discipline and if you want to follow your proper risk management, you must get targets, right? That okay, I earn $10 should be enough. Let me grow it gradually. So whenever you reach $10, for your proper discipline that you have, you can stop trading for that day. You get to tomorrow again, you check in market. Any idea you meet up with $10 or $20, whenever you get, you stop the trading. So that one is gradually. That one takes process. It takes gradual process before you can become full. Before you can become big in it. Yes, but it's no one can say this amount I'm going to make today for it.
Okay. Okay. You mentioned that forex is not get rich quick. For those that have the mindset of, they want to start forex because they want to make so much money. Yeah. Now let's look at it from the aspect of beginners. How much can a beginner that wants to get rich quick, that wants to get involved in forex, yeah, how much can they start with?
You, okay, thank you for this question. Do you know the facts? Let's be realistic to ourselves. Do you know the facts? Sometimes it's not
What's
even
the fact?
how much you started with. You get. Sometimes it's not how much you started with. So as a beginner, it's good you started with big capital. But at that same time, it's very possible that your big capital you lost it in a day, within 5 minutes. That your $10,000 account that you like 10,000 $10,000 account, $10,000 account is big. I will make it hit. That day, within 15 minutes, you have blew up that account. You get. So it doesn't
Okay.
really it doesn't what is it called depend on how much capital you bring in. When you talk about how much capital, it should basically on advanced traders, professional traders, because we have a lot of professional traders where they don't get much capital. You get. We have a lot of professional traders, but they don't
Yeah.
have capital. Yes, they are just managing their capital and the rest based on one thing or the other. So it's those kind of people you can talk that oh, if they get better capital today, how will it become? Yeah, I can say probably that those people, if they get better capital, give them just a few period of time, they will blow off. But
Mm.
as a beginner, I won't advise you to even push much money first because your first deposit you will never succeed it in that. In forex, I never see anybody that succeeded his first deposit. You will not succeed it. You will lose the account. You get. So not even one. You are not losing one account in this industry. You dey lose account, you dey blow account, you dey blow account, you dey blow account, and so you dey blow the go.
But I
So for
believe
that,
that they have mistakes,
a lot of mistakes.
right?
So now
So what kind of mistake do you think they can, you know, they would experience? Because beginners definitely they have big mistake that they find themselves in.
they want to make it fast, fast, fast. Even me, I was once there. You get. They want to make it fast. They feel like as their mentors, they show them result of their doing. Them too won't belong fast, fast. So
Mm.
they take risks that they're not supposed to take at that moment.
Can you take that again? I think we lost you for a moment.
Same network, please.
Okay.
I think my network.
Please guys, we are still on. Kindly wait till we get him back fully because he's trying to do a couple of things. And while you're here, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe on this channel. Double tap on this live to show that you're watching and you understand. Okay. If you're here, you can also type yes under the comment section.
Network is bad.
Are we back? It's fine.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I was saying, what big mistake does beginners are most likely going to encounter?
So I say one of the major mistake is trading, right? Over. Can you hear me? Let's see. Look at this.
I can hear you.
Beginners do is they overtrade because as an
Okay.
advanced trader, you have positions. You have how many positions? You have already journal your how many positions you might take in a day. Person like me, I don't take trade more than 5 times in a day. 5 positions in a day, no matter how I can't take more than that. Do you get? If it is on one pair, I took in a day, that means I'm not trading that day again. Either I lost or not. You get? So one of the major mistakes they do is over trading. They like to over trade. They won't get tired. Let's say they are making small, small money. You get? Secondly, they over leverage. That over leverage is one of the major things that again. It's just like I can see right? They over leverage. Are you there? They, so if they can, it's also well, hello.
Okay. Yeah, I'm with you. Okay.
Because their intention is for making more money.
Okay. Can we take forex trading as a full-time career?
Of course, of
Like I could
course.
just day every day and trade I dey trade. I don't have any other job. It's just forex trading, waiting for signals, how to make money.
Provide signals for yourself,
Okay,
right?
I would not provide signals for myself.
As a trader, as a trader, you are providing signals for yourself. As I provide signals for my as I yes, providing signals for yourself. The thing you are expecting from the market, you'll be the one that will do the analysis by yourself and wait for your market. You get you if you can use as a full-time job. Once the money begin come, right, they invest in. Oh, it's wrong. Mm. Is it better now? Oh. Is it better now? Hello.
My screen cracking, right? It's not cracking. Okay, shoot. You can continue.
One thing with forex traders, right?
Okay?
Those guys most of them are investors.
Yeah.
So once the money begin come, they invest, buy properties. That is what those guys do mostly. You get. So by that one, they are no longer a kind of a full-time trader again. But I have other buyers that they are doing that as well.
Yeah.
I think that has money must buy property.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, anybody that has money that must buy. A lot of people are taking forex trading as a full-time job. You get full-time job. A lot of all these guys we are saying, all those guys go for a living, and those guys don't go far. Yeah, you can use it as yeah full-time if you know what you're doing. Full-time job.
Okay. So let's now dive into real estate. Yeah. From your experience, how does forex compare to real estate in terms of profitability? When I started this life, I was talking about how a lot of people would say in real estate you will make money. That's the fastest way of making money. And then you see forex traders, they will say, you really want to make money, do forex, learn forex. So in your years of experience in as a trader, can you compare real estate in terms of profitability? Which one pays more?
Man, it's a nice right.
Okay.
Like both are good. I want to school a father. No. Both are good. Both brings money, right? But in my own, to my own opinion, forex brings money fast than real estate. Forex bring money fast.
But you know, real estate, we would not put in money to make money. It's just to go and get a client. But forex, you'll be putting in money.
Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means to property that let's say 5 billion naira? Or let me just put it
Mm-hmm.
this way. Do you know the kind of client that you have? You sell a single property and you're 100 to 100.
Okay.
You get. So they both are good, but aspect of fast is forex. Because by the time you have money and start trading and you go into real estate, this if you come, if I know what I'm doing really, it won't be the same. And within that period, if care is not taken, you have not sold up to 5 or 4 properties safe. If
Mm.
care work
Yeah.
is hard, you need to work hard. And at the end also, yes, like that. So I go for forex when it come about. I go for forex. If you see
Okay.
so for like 4 to 5 months, up to 6 months, I haven't sold any property. But as a trade like you get for your account, in your account, just list of $100 in your account. Within that 6 months, if you know what you're doing,
Mm.
now you talk from there 247 money they come out from there, even though you're not too big, yes. So there's money in real estate. Yeah, there's money in real estate. When you talk about fast money, out of the two, the one that bring fast money, no, 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 no. Forex is bring fast money. Forex is more profitable these days. People that are big in real estate are people that started it back then. Let me say things are not like this. Although most of them don't acquire the whole people, like being what is it called, developer. Don't join developer and they begin to do all those kind of works now. But remain, forex pay more than real estate. They more
More than
profitable than
real
real estate.
estate. So
Yes, yes,
meaning
yes.
say
It pays.
forex now, they give peace of mind because I have this question. In forex, yeah, the notion is you can lose everything quickly in forex, right? Then in real estate, things move slower. So since in forex you can lose everything quickly, and in real estate it will take you time for you to, get the money that you're looking for. So which one gives peace of mind? Is it
The fact
getting everything quickly and then losing it quickly, or going through the process to
um
acquire
um
it?
the thing is
They give
even
you peace.
getting it quick that we said, right? Getting it quick that we
Mm-hmm.
said quick. Foreign is not get.
Mm-hmm.
If I said getting it quick, I don't let's say the you will just jump into it and you make your profit and the rest. No, it also take process. A forex can take you 5 good years before you begin become a consistent profitable trader. Definitely, the joy when you are learning work. Eh? You dey see other minor job they do where you dey get money for body than say you dey learn work nothing na when oga give you 100 naira before you go collect, that kind of stuff. So forex like
Yeah.
you dey learn work, as of work wey you dey learn you dey make money too from there. Because even for the first time I registered online, the first lecture I have on forex trading, when immediately I joined the class of that month, the guy added me to his VIP group, whereby that moment I started making $10, $5, $10, $5 the day I started the lesson, the class, right? So that is just all about it. So it's not like it doesn't have process. Before you even become a profitable trader, you also take process.
Okay.
Fast is not like that kind of fast. Yeah, that kind of fast. The two are okay, but forex is more profitable.
Okay. We have a question. Are you saying Forex is more sustainable than real estate? So it is you that will answer that one.
Yeah, if you say sustainable, I don't really think there's business on earth right now that's only half risk, right? I don't know much about real estate, but I think real estate also have risk because I see a lot of houses could being collapsed and the rest.
Yeah.
So it depends on the one you like to me, forest is sustainable for me. You get it's sustainable. You only need process. Even real estate as well, you only need process. You get so they both are sustainable. Yeah, they both are sustainable.
Okay. Aidan Blaze, I guess your question has been answered that both are sustainable. So, what role does knowledge play in both industries? Because I believe it's not what role does knowledge play in both industries, because I believe it's not about I want to be a forex trader, you just enter inside. I want to be a real estate broker or whatever, you just enter inside. So there should be, because a lot of people that go into it and then fall out of it, it is because they haven't studied that which they are getting themselves involved. So what role does knowledge play towards one success?
The next thing is you need get a coach, right?
Good.
Let's say
Okay.
I believe that in anything we are doing right now, especially this aspect of forex and real estate as well, I can use real estate as well too. I think the major thing
Mm-hmm.
we need a mentorship, right?
Thank you, Ada.
You need a mentorship. Yeah, I'm enjoying
Okay.
this section. Thank you, bro. You need a mentorship. You get. So you guys have a good mentorship. You get. It gives you good knowledge. Have good mentorship. Then follow your journals. Both forex and real estate get journals. Because anything you're doing that you're not putting down your journals, you're not doing it right.
Mm,
Follow your journals. Get a mentor, person that you learn under, or person that will kind of pull you through properly. You get. So both need both mentorship, being journaled, and follow your rules. Alright. You said you need mentorship. Yeah, being journal your journey. You get journal your journey. Yeah, consistent, discipline. Yeah, consistency, discipline, right? Discipline, and lastly, patience. So in both aspects, they deserve those things, and that's when you can become.
okay. Let's speak on the economy. Yeah. The effect it has when it comes to inflation or devaluation. Yeah. So how the economic changes like inflation or currency devaluation affect both forex and real estate differently? Because today we hear dollar dollar has risen or dollar has fallen down, that kind of this. And I've seen somebody that is into forex, when dollar reduced, he started
So someone with sorry, so is it what you say? Is someone with dollar account, right? You see when dollar rise, you see you lose money, right? Or when dollar fall. Hello. Shit. Hi. Are you me? Hello. Hello. Are you there? Yeah, I can hear you now. Yes, I can hear you now. Yes, yes, yeah, I can hear you. Hello, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Okay, okay. The network is having issue, right? Or mine? Okay, okay. But your this thing is okay. So come with your question again. Then let's go with that. Hello.
He's saying yes, that's
Yes, that
it.
is exactly. That is exactly what you said is exactly right. Uh, your voice is.
Valuation. So I was trying to
I can't. Sorry, I can't hear you. Sorry, I can't hear you. Please. Hello.
say again.
Your space is off. Yeah, it's better now. You're back.
Okay.
You're back. Now you come back to us. You're welcome. Yeah. So
Okay, thank you.
yeah, this guy said.
So you can go on with the response.
This guy said it means you can start to earn yeah almost immediately with forex. Have it yeah small in real estate. You can take exactly exactly. That's what I use. That you can have small. You go to learn what you go to earn already. Why be say you go to
Yeah.
go on your boss give you money for transport. So that's so it be. So now when you talk about that inflation, in trading, in trading, we that in Nigeria. Let me just use Nigeria as for example. We that in Nigeria is very very high. That is why you see that most of us that trade, we don't have money in our naira accounts. You can hardly see a trader in this country have money in his naira accounts. Maybe you want to use that
Mhm.
for something, you want to buy something or whatever. We withdraw every day, we want to do something because of the inflation, right? Now, in forex trading, is a kind of different from crypto. You get normally if dollar rise or fall, the only factor is let's say dollar fall now. Let's say I funded my account at the rate of when dollar was 115, right? Then maybe dollar fall down to 14. That is my capital. I'm losing how much capital I'm having already. Do you
Yeah.
understand? After that is how it affects. It's not like all like crypto whereby the hood once you go down, their capital don't go down. You get you trade when you go lose massively is when you trade from forex. Now real estate is also affect real estate as well. You get it also affect real estate because the most of if dollar don't high, definitely naira there's going to be changes in naira. You get once the inflation all these news events don't they happen, people like Donald Trump when they speaks, they move markets. So once it happen, once it affects forex trading, it also definitely affects whereby the rate of things they sell will not be the same. It will affect them in that way. Then let me say secondly, in let's say in requirements, let me say in requirements, forex trade as well is so liquid, like is a big liquid, it's a very big liquid. You get very very big liquid that you can at any time. Unlike real estate, it's not a big liquid. Real estate is not a big liquid. It's something you can take a long process as well to do it before you go finish to achieve it. So now, if you also talk about that, what is it called? In that inflation as well, we still have return. You get in that inflation, we also have return. So I think the major thing here is forex trading. Like let me just say, like last week. Let me use last week as an example. Last week, I was in the market and I mistakenly I not check my forex factory because normally as a trader, forex factory is the same thing is what you check every morning that you wake up first to know the news that you have
I
in the
thought
day.
we are supposed to pray to God every morning that we wake up first. God come first. Your own and forest go dey check.
So normally if you wake up first
What
as
you
a
are
trader,
teaching, they are taking note to check
the thing
your comment charts, or what will I say?
consistency, discipline, and patience. Yes, yes, yes. I love that. I love
He
that. I
said you're
love that.
paying attention.
But the Moses, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. See, the thing is, in forest, like that last week, I'm saying. So I jump into the market when I just see, this chart don't give me the pattern that I want. I move into the market. So forgetting that there's news events. Yeah, there's an inflation coming by 130. Guess what? I was in massive
What?
profit. I was in massive profit, but because of let me just say because of the greedy and too much confidence that this thing must hit my TP, so I leave the market. The next thing I see, boom,
Do you know why?
I don't I
Do
don't
you
know.
know why?
No, I don't know.
Because when you woke up in the morning, the first thing you did was to check. You did not pray. You did not put God first.
Okay.
That's why that thing happened.
the day, the day how they remember God, I will be massive lost. Whereby you go to pray to God, make the market come back to the entry point, make it close that day God no go work.
God no go work.
Your capital go go, oh, I swear. Mhm. So that is just the major, that is just the basic things. Once inflation is affecting dollar, once
Mm,
inflation is affecting dollar, definitely it will affect real estate. It will definitely affect, especially we in this country, because most of us now use dollar. So once it don't
mm,
dey affect, the cost of everything will get high as well too. So it also will affect them seriously. It
okay.
affect both.
But do you think the Nigerian market is friendly to forex traders and real estate people, real estate brokers? Is the Nigerian market friendly? Is
To
it
me,
friendly to investors? Let me use that word.
to me, I think it's friendly. Yes, it's friendly. Um, you know what you're doing. You get because I can still say this. I have some forex traders. They are big in the industry. Like when I say big, they are fucking big in the industry. Where someone they get up to $1 million as a capital to trade. Once it's less than that, it's not withdraw anything. Now when it's higher than that, you withdraw. Sure you get. So it's friendly. It's friendly, but it take discipline as well. It can't be just friendly. It take discipline. It take only people that can accept the discipline, that can be patient on those things that also make it friendly. Yeah, it's friendly with them. It's friendly.
Okay. How can one balance both? Imagine I want to do real estate, I want to be a real estate investor, and I also want to be a forex trader. Handling both of them, is it a smart decision? I think that's what we call diversification, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, yes,
So can I run both
you can run both.
and I go get peace of mind?
Trading. You only take
What?
people, you only take people that don't really understand how it works, that stay on charts from morning to night. You
Hmm.
get? You only how the movement of the market works, that stay so long on the charts. Normally, me, I don't stay more than 20 to 30 minutes, highest 50 minutes on charts. If I did not see anything I'm waiting for again, that moment I will leave am first. You get? And within that
Okay.
period, if I get I'm going for, I'm going for it. Immediately I'm going for it, I've set my target, I've set my risk. I fit comot go anywhere I want to go. I fit even drop the phone at home, go to my real estate, if na site I want to go, I can go to my site and begin doing whatever I want to do till I come back in the night. What is that once we are opening any positions, your mind is that you are losing, either you lose or you win, because our
Okay.
analysis, our strategies are not 100% accurate, right? Let's say 80, 70, 80% accurate. So definitely loss is there. You get? So you can run both. Some forex traders that do a lot more than forex. You can handle all of them together. You will just time yourself, check the time. Like forex, we have three different sections that we trade, right? We have London section, New York section, Tokyo section, and Sydney. You get? We have London section, New York section, Tokyo, and Sydney section, right? So out of these four sections, you have to look into a section that is profitable or is conducive for you. Person like me, I trade London section and New York section alone. So in this kind of scenario now, if you have other business you want to go and do, you can check this section. You can only trade on London section or you trade only on New York section. Do you get? Meanwhile, it will not take you more than 1 hour, 2 hours. You have execute your trade, close your positions, everything. You go to your
So you go to
site.
site.
Yeah. So you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do both.
Okay.
Yes.
So what is one piece of advice, if you have more than one, you can dish out, you can give to, anybody that would love to start up with forex trading?
The first advice I'll give to anybody that really want to be a forex trader is one, change your mindset. One, change your mindset. You have to change your mindset totally. That is the first thing you need to do. You have to change your mindset. You will see things differently the way people will be seeing things. Or the way you see things before, you start seeing things differently. Because this time around, is a kind of, you really want to go into risk. Forex is risk. The risk is very high. You get? So you change your mindset. Then learn how to be disciplined. Very important. If you say you are not trading today, make no spirit make you open your meta. Because once you don't open your meta trader 4 or trader 5, you most definitely place position, and that's when you go lose. Right? So I expect them to be more disciplined. If you want to come to the industry, make sure you practice discipline. You guys wait patiently for your trade to play out before you enter. Nothing like early entry, right? You'll be patient. Then even that consistency. Once you start it, you start doing. Once you being consistency in what you're doing, you will definitely gain what you want. You get. So the main your thing is change your mindset. Plan how to become disciplined or start disciplining yourself on a lot of things. Then be patient. With that, you can work it out. Everything will be fine. Yeah, I think. I then
Yeah, I can hear you.
yeah, so
All
that
this
is
thing
it.
that you just said, me, I don't have patience, so
So you must get patient too.
I don't get
Patience is
patience at all.
one of the major thing. It's one of the major thing. I swear. You know
Ah,
what? When you
okay.
supposed to enter from 100 because of patience, you go enter from 11. You get you cannot wait. And that 119 will be a kind of early entry for you, right? The before you know you go don lose massively. At the end, where you supposed to enter from before, at the market get to that place, you go see as e begin come back to your direction. That is when patience. That is where patience come in. So once there is no patience, you'll be losing back to back,
I
like
don't
back.
get patience, so if I enter this thing, show me say I go dey lose because I no wait.
You guys control. See, one of major thing again is emotion. Sorry, I forgot to mention emotion since. I think emotions is very, 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 very important to work on again. Yeah, emotions. In the sense that when you win, don't be over too happy. You get the bill lord. The
Them blood. Which one be them blood?
bill lord. The bill lord are
What's
cryptocurrencies.
blood? Perhaps. What's
Yeah.
that?
No, it's a bill lord now. You don't know bill lord.
Blood. Okay, now. Okay, now. Oh,
The
blood. That's okay. I
cryptocurrency
know
guy.
him. I know him.
And a crypto lord now. Now,
Oh. So
a
now
crypto.
why? Because of patience and discipline. Now why the man reach like that?
Yes, now of course, now patient and discipline now, and mind.
How much did they sell patience? I beg. Because I need patience.
Do you know the major of it? Do you know these things? I have a friend.
Mm,
I have a friend. I introduced her to begin get some coins, like because like Pi, other coins like that, so that you buy it and hold. That is crypto level now, right? Now this guy spend like 50K, 100K, buy some coins, puts. But next week when the guy no get money again, you go and sell those coins back. Use the money, flex first. You get.
hmm.
So now I saying now there's no discipline. Because maybe the day when you go sell this coin again now, that is when the coin will rise. Right? So you don't lose everything, all the whole thing has been doing. So that is why discipline is
Yeah.
very, very important. It's very important. If you put money for here, live and there, right? No matter what you are passing through, live and there. Make sure say you use and gain what you want. Use and gain what it is. So patience is very important. You go do it, you go get out. You
So
go
with
do
all
it, you
this
go
thing
get
now
out.
that you said now, can we categorize forex trading as um one means that can create wealth, like
Yes,
faster, better than real estate?
faster, but yeah, faster than real estate. Yes.
Mm-mm.
I'm not saying
No
that real
wonder
estate does not
you
move real
just
estate.
day 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Never sell one house. 1 year, never sell one house. But if you
And if
do
you get
forex now,
capital,
you can get wow.
if you get better capital for forex within that 1 year, if you buy house for yourself, sef, if you get better capital, if you buy house, buy your luxurious car already within 1 year, you get.
Hmm.
And you doing what
Funny
you know
how
what you're
these
doing.
two industries, I see them as they compete with each other. Is
Yeah, yeah,
that
they
if
do.
I'm not mistaken?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
They are vice versa. They do. Yeah, they are work together. They are just similar from each other. They are just little similar from each other. Forex
Hmm.
is faster, very, very faster than real estate.
Okay. This has been an interesting one. I
That's
enjoyed
been
myself. It's just that there is one thing that I know that I cannot do, that patience thing. And I really want to go into Forex so that I can make a lot of money since I like money. But I don't know how I'm going to start.
the
So
first
do we
thing.
have any question? If there's any question under the comments, please put it under the comments. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm seeing another
If you
comment.
have any questions.
Moses, are you a trader? I'm seeing this guy consistency, discipline, and patience. He's giving what I want. Like It seems the guy is into
Moses, are you
trading.
a trader?
It seems he's
I'd
into
like to
trading.
meet you.
Yes, it seems he's into trading because he know the basic, he know the logics. Any question?
Is
Actually,
Aidan here?
Mr. Blaze, see, there's forest is good though, like to be realistic, forest is good though, but it take discipline. That patient will return no be small thing. You get that patient will be small thing. That thing there amount is where they kill some of us still say like this. You know be small thing. Sometimes we'll be over greedy. You get. Sometimes you'll be kind of our expectation is too high. And when you are getting more too much high expectation from forex trading, that's when you'll be losing back to back. That period, it seems all your strategies are not working again. And that's why it is because your expectation is high. You want to buy house within 3 months with the forest money. You want to build house. You want to buy car. People they make am now.
Yes, nah.
Yes,
Yes, nah.
yes. Go take
Uh-uh.
am gently.
If my
You
mate
know that.
self can't they make the money now, why won't I feel that way?
You know
Yes.
that. You know that. You know that. You know
Anytime
that.
me enter this forest, I must buy house the next month.
No, it's first. And I'm not doubting the fact. I'm not at all. I'm not doubting it. It's possible. A single hit, a single trade can take you to that place. If you get better lots, if you use better lot size, you get a single trade can take you to that place. So it's casual.
Okay.
Yeah, casual.
Thank you, Pabs FX, for tuning in today. Thank you guys for joining. For those that joined from the beginning and you're not here, but you come back to this video to watch the remaining, thanks for joining. And also thanks for subscribing. For the new subscribers that subscribe today, thanks. And I hope you also subscribe on Pabs FX channel. In case tomorrow he decides to want to be taking lectures or lessons on that, so you can connect with him directly. So again and again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like and share. So we've come to the end of today's episode, and I'm very sure we all learned a lot. We have learned something, and we've also unlearned some things when it comes to real estate versus forex trading. How profitable it is in today's market. Which is better? Which would you go into and then you're going to win within a couple of months or within a year? Is real estate easy? I don't know. Is forex trading easy? I don't know. But then with this whole episode, you should be able to know which you will be interested in. So thank you for tuning in. To come your way next time. Before we say our final bye bye, Mr. Pabs, you want to say anything else?
Okay, big thanks to all the viewers, people that stay back, people that still listening. I'll say thank you all. Don't do well to subscribe, like, share, and always whenever she's coming up, always make sure you stay, watch her to the end, listen to her. Okay, so as you all guys know, I am Pap FS. You can follow me on any of my social media accounts at PapFS_official, both Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and the rest. So thank you. And the host, I appreciate you plenty, Mama. I cause for you.
Thank you
Peace and
too.
love, peace and
Thank
love,
you,
peace and love. Don't play, don't
Moses,
play.
Mr. Ayeyemi, my guy. Thank you. Thank you, Aidan Glaze, my baby. Thank you. Thank you, Lawrence Mo Lala. Ah, Matt D, thank you. Assault Ripples, thank you. My Indian friend, although I don't think you stayed till the end. Thank you, Gamer. It was nice having all of you here. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now. Bye, Pabs.
Peace out.